Essential first aid kit for dogs. A well-prepared first aid kit is crucial for handling minor injuries or emergencies involving your dog. Having the right tools and knowing how to use them can make a significant difference. 1. Items to include in a dog-specific first aid kit. A dog-specific first aid kit should be tailored to common emergencies your dog might face. Here's a checklist of essential items. Basic medical supplies. Bandages. Non-stick bandages and self-adhesive wrap, like vet wrap, to protect wounds without sticking to fur. Sterile gauze pads, for cleaning or covering wounds. Antiseptic wipes, to disinfect minor cuts or scrapes. Hydrogen peroxide, 3%, for cleaning wounds or inducing vomiting, only under veterinary guidance. Antibiotic ointment, for minor wounds to prevent infection. Tweezers, to remove splinters, thorns, or ticks. Scissors, blunt-tipped for safely cutting bandages or fur. Digital thermometer, for checking your dog's temperature, normal range, 101 to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Gloves, disposable latex or nitrile gloves for hygienic handling of injuries. Emergency items. Styptic powder, to stop bleeding from minor cuts or nail trims. Saline solution, for rinsing eyes or cleaning wounds. Muzzle or soft wrap, to prevent biting when your dog is in pain or scared. Benadryl, diphenhydramine, for allergic reactions. Consult a vet for dosage. Emergency blanket, to keep your dog warm in case of shock. Activated charcoal, for absorbing toxins in poisoning situations. Use under veterinary guidance. Extras for outdoor adventures. Tick remover tool. Cooling packs for heat stroke. Booties to protect paws from hot surfaces or rough terrain. Documentation. A list of emergency contacts, vet, animal poison control, nearby emergency clinic. Your dog's medical history, vaccination records, and medications. 2. How to use tools like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and tweezers. Bandages. Application. Use non-stick gauze directly on the wound. Wrap with self-adhesive bandages, but avoid wrapping too tightly as it may restrict circulation. Example, if your dog cuts its paw pad, clean the wound, apply gauze, and wrap securely with vet wrap. Antiseptic wipes. Usage. Gently clean around wounds to remove dirt and bacteria. Avoid using wipes with alcohol, as they can sting. Example. Use a wipe to clean a scrape on your dog's leg after a rough hike. Tweezers. Usage. Use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp and remove objects like splinters, thorns, or ticks. For ticks, ensure you grasp close to the skin and pull straight out without twisting. Example, remove a tick from your dog's ear with tweezers, then clean the area with antiseptic. 3. Storing and maintaining the kit for emergencies. Proper storage and upkeep of your dog's first aid kit ensure its effectiveness during emergencies. Storage tips. Use a durable, waterproof container or bag. Label the kit clearly as Dog First Aid Kit. Store it in an easily accessible location at home, in your car, or with your hiking gear if you travel with your dog. Maintenance. Check the kit every 6 months. Replace expired medications and supplies. Replenish items used after treating an injury. Update emergency contact information regularly. Example: after treating your dog's scrape, restock the antiseptic wipes and gauze pads you use to ensure the kit is ready for future emergencies.